Hi everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's take a look at today's key phrase. This is the best day of my life. Let's break this down. Today's skill is expressing limits for superlatives. We can add a prepositional phrase to a superlative to express a limited range. Let's look at an example. It's the biggest city. In this sentence, we don't know the range. Perhaps it's the biggest city in the universe, or perhaps the city is only the biggest city on a small island. By adding the prepositional phrase in the universe or in the island, we're able to understand the range of the item being compared. For example, it's the biggest city in the universe, or it's the biggest city on the island. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Okay, let's take a look at the structure. So, we use the and a superlative adjective, the best. After that, we use a noun, day. Then we use our prepositional clause or prepositional phrase. This always shows the limit of my life. Any preposition would be okay. In, at, on, under, over, out of, between, behind. Really, any preposition is fine for this. Let's take a look at some examples. This is the nicest bed in the store. That was the worst idea out of all his ideas. This is the biggest city in Kyushu. This is the best day of my life. This item is the most important thing on the agenda. This was the coldest day of the year. Thank you very much for watching today's class. If you would like to practice the grammar, please leave an example sentence in the comments below. Bye.